Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With its primary focus as a luxury car, the G80 offers a properly upscale interior. Its cabin showcases an elegant design with a streamlined dashboard, soft touch surfaces, and rich-looking materials. The steering wheel has an odd aesthetic and the rotary shift knob is never as intuitive as automakers think, especially when positioned near other circular-shaped controls, but overall the inside of the G80 looks wonderful. The sedan offers desirable features such as a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, ambient interior lighting, a head-up display, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, and more. The G80 has more headroom and legroom than the outgoing Model 2, which was spacious to begin with. Infotainment and connectivity. A huge 14.5-inch touchscreen sprouts from the top of the dashboard and acts as the hub for the G80's infotainment system. The display can be manipulated via a circular controller on the center console as well as buttons on the steering wheel and voice commands. Every G80 also comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A powerful Lexicon audio system with distinct sound modes is part of the infotainment setup, too.